Hello, my name is Donna Jo Richards, Better Homes of Southern California, and I want to show you how we do it. We're having an open house here, and you can see we're trying to grab attention. This really should grab attention, right? So we want you to come in, and you are welcome. All right, let's go on inside. We got our little walkway here, and we're having the Easter theme since Easter is coming up. All right, we're going inside, and it's a beautiful house that we're doing. So these are grab bags, and they're for you, but you have to come, and I'm not telling you what's inside. It's a surprise. And there we go with the Easter theme again. And let's go around to the kitchen. And what we have for you is a little bit of candy, crackers, cookies, fortune cookies. They're gonna say, come on in, make an offer. All right, and then we have potato chips and more. And here we have some soft drinks for you. So we're gonna walk on over, and on this other counter, we have information for you. And you may like it, it's important. We're gonna go back, rest of the kitchen, and what people like, some of them, most of all, we have champagne, we have Prosecco, we have Cabernet, and we have Chardonnay, and little goodies that go with it. This is how we do it. Come and see us.